Hi everybody, I'm Sarah. This song is called Alle Brider, and it is a song a lot of people really like, and a lot of people have a lot of fun singing this. And one of the things that I think is fun about this song is that there's a bunch of parts where we just say oi.
Oi. Oi. Oi. Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, oi, oi. So we say that in this song. And then also, I don't know, do you know what I mean if I say the word folk music? Do you guys kind of know what folk music? A folk tale, yeah.
Folk music.
Yeah.
Like really old music, maybe.
Maybe kind of like Brandy Carlisle, maybe.
Maybe Brandy Carlisle style, totally. She like plays acoustic guitar. A lot of her songs have like stories in them. Yeah, or a folk tale. A folk tale is kind of like a story that a lot of people know. Yeah. Also, I think folk, like we're folks.
Yeah.
Are you a folk? I'm folk.
Yeah, I'm a folk.
So folk is like the music of the folks. So all those things are like, I think, things that are fun to say and think about all together.
Yeah.
So what I'll do is I'll sing those lines, and then you guys can sing oi 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 afterwards, and I'll show you how it goes. So in this song it goes like this. Oi, und mir zaynen alle Brider, oi oi, alle Brider, und mir singen freylekhe Lieder, oi oi oi.
I feel like we sang that song at the Red Sea. Is that what it's called?
We did at the Klezmer Jam.
Yeah, I remember that.
We totally did. Have you ever heard this song before?
No.
Cool. So that's great. So it's new for you and it's a little familiar.
Yeah, I don't really know the words, but I remember
Yeah. Well, and the good thing about this is if you don't know the words, you can always sing the oi oi oi.
Oi oi oi.
So I'll do that again so you can hear where the oi oi ois go. So I sing. Und mir zaynen alle Brider, oi oi, alle Brider, und mir singen freylekhe Lieder, oi oi oi. Yeah. Okay, so let's do that again. You ready for that? Und mir zaynen alle Brider, oi oi, alle Brider, und mir singen freylekhe Lieder, oi oi oi. Nice. Okay, and the second part goes like this. Und mir zaynen alle shvester, oi oi, alle shvester, Azoy wie Rokhl und Ester, oi oi oi. Yeah. How do you feel about that? Should we do the whole thing? Okay. So that first line goes. Und mir zaynen alle Brider, oi oi, alle Brider, und mir singen freylekhe Lieder, oi oi oi. Und mir zaynen alle shvester, oi oi, alle shvester, Azoy wie Rokhl und Ester, oi oi oi. Yes. And now there's a part that goes like this. Oi 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 oi. Oi 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 oi. Oi 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 oi. Yeah, totally. Oi 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 oi. Oi 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 oi. Oi 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 oi. Nice. So in this version of the song, which you can look on the paper and also we'll just sing, they say, oi mir zaynen alle Brider.
Oi mir zaynen alle Brider.
I'll do that again a little slower. Oi mir zaynen.
Oi mir zaynen
alle Brider.
alle Brider.
Yeah, Brider is brothers. So we are all brothers. Mir zaynen, we are all brothers. Alle Brider. And it's metaphorical, right? Oh, we're all brothers. We're all connected, right? And then un mir zaynen alle shvester. Un mir zaynen.
Oi mir zaynen
Alle shvester.
alle shvester.
That's we are all sisters. And un mir zaynen ja mitkinder. Un mir zaynen
Und mir zaynen
ja mitkinder.
Jon mitkinder.
Mitkinder is siblings. So we're all brothers, sisters, and siblings.
Like Sarah, Ruth, Ruthie?
Mm-hmm.
Ruth and Esther.
Yeah. Do you want to read that?
Yeah. And we are all brothers, and we sing happy songs, and we are all sisters like Sarah, Rivki, Ruth, and Esther.
Mm-hmm.
And we are all siblings, whether together or apart, and we are all united, whether we are many or few. And we are all refugees, still maintaining the golden chain.
Nice.
And we are happy people. We are singing songs and dance.
Mm-hmm. So nice. You have any questions about that?
I like it. I feel like, is it like a popular song? I feel like I've heard it so many times in different places.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a lot of different bands have done this song, and also a lot of people have written different words for this song. So actually, after we sing it, what I want to do is come up with some of our own words that we could say in this song, if that sounds fun. Yeah? Cool. Nice. So we can do the next verse, though, first. So this is the one that says, Wir zaynen mitkinder. We're all siblings. Sie in eynem, sie bazinder, which means whether we're together or we're separated. You guys want to say those? Und wir zaynen mitkinder. And in the song we'll say, ja mitkinder, like, yeah, siblings. Und wir zaynen ja mitkinder. Und wir zaynen ja mitkinder. Yep. Oi, ja mitkinder. Sie in eynem. Sie, you want to say that?
Sie
in eynem. Sie bazinder.
Sie
bazinder.
Bazinder.
Yeah. In eynem means united or together with each other. Like eins is the number one. So in eynem, in oneness, together. Sie bazinder. Scattered, we're separated from each other. So sie in eynem, sie bazinder.
Sie in eynem, sie bazinder.
Yep. And then und wir zaynen alle eynik. Und wir zaynen alle eynik. Yep. And sie mir zaynen viel sie veynik. Sie mir zaynen viel sie veynik. I did that one really fast. I'm sorry. So sie mir zaynen.
Sie mir zaynen.
Feel, like
Feel.
like full. Feel, like there's lots. Sie veynik. Should we try that one?
Yeah.
We can do repeat after me again. So I'll sing this first. Und wir zaynen ja mitkinder. Und wir zaynen ja mitkinder. Nice, that means we're all siblings. Oi, oi, ja mitkinder. Nice. Sie in eynem, sie bazinder. Sie in eynem, sie bazinder. Whether we're together or we're scattered. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah. Und wir zaynen alle eynik. Und wir zaynen alle eynik. And we're all united. Oi, oi, alle eynik. Sie mir zaynen viel sie veynik. Sie mir zaynen viel sie veynik. Oi, oi, oi. Nice. And you remember what comes next? Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Yeah. Should we sing that whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think? Should we sing the whole thing? Great. Anything you want to say before we sing it? Anybody have feelings or?
Mommy.
Okay, let's do it. And we'll start 2, 3, 4. Und wir zaynen alle Brüder, oi, oi, alle Brüder. Und wir singen freylekhe Lieder, oi, oi, oi. Und wir zaynen alle Schwester, oi, oi, alle shvester, Azoy, wie Rokhl, und Ester, oy, oy, oy. Yeah. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Let's do mitkinder, okay? Und wir zaynen ja mitkinder, oy, oy, ja mitkinder. Ziehen eynem, bazinder, oy, 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 yeah. Und wir zaynen alle eynik, oy, oy, alle eynik. Ziehen wir zaynen viel, veynik, oy, oy, oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Bum, bum. And the other fun thing about this song, like I was saying, is somebody at some point made up those words. So I thought it would be fun to try to make up some of our own rhyming words about how we're feeling. But not in Yiddish, we can do it in English. So in a lot of these songs, you know, some like we have this piece of paper, it's like, oh, these are the words. It's not even really like that. It's actually, this is somebody's way that they sing it, but also we can have the music belong to us and we can make it what we like as well. Mm-hmm. So with a lot of these songs, you can make up your own words. And most likely somebody in the past, like when you said really old stuff, somebody really long ago probably also just made it up. And so I kind of want to try doing that too. If that sounds fun.
Yeah.
But what we can do is one person will say something, 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 and everybody else will go oy, oy, oy in response. And then we'll kind of build a new version of the song like that.
I love it.
English?
In English.
Okay.
So then we kind of know what we're saying. Yeah. So, like, for example, I'm just going to make something up. You can say, I'm happy that we're all here together. And everyone can go, oy, oy, oy. Even though outside it's snowy weather. Oy, oy, oy. Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does anybody else want to try one, or should I do another one? I may do another one.
Does it have to rhyme every time?
I don't think it has to.
I did a rhyme. I said, does it have to rhyme every time?
I wondered if the song it has to rhyme.
Oy, oy, oy.
Every single time.
Oy, oy,
oy. I really like singing with my friends. Oy, oy, oy. I hope it never has to end. Oy, oy, oy.
You're pretty good at this.
Maybe, or one of you could do a first line and then we could try to rhyme with it too.
It is super duper cold out.
Oy, oy, oy. When I felt it on my face, it made me shout. Oy, oy, oy.
I want to say something, but it probably doesn't rhyme.
Oh, well, let's try it. Why not?
Even though I'm excited for Christmas.
Ooh, oy, oy, oy. For the end of the year, I have lots of big wishes. Oy, oy, oy. Last night we lit candles in our menorah. Oy, oy, oy. Later when we're singing, we can dance the hora. Oy, oy, oy.
Wait, what's a hora?
It's like a kind of dance.
It's like a dance where everybody's together in a circle.
It's fun. And it's different than the grapevine, right?
I think you can sometimes do grapevine feet when you're even dancing a hora.
I like grapevine. It's like fun and fast and easy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you picture like everybody's in a circle holding hands dancing together, a hora, it comes from a word that just means a circle.
Oh.
So everybody's dancing in a circle.
Many your feet. One.
Maybe that means
over. Yeah.
Oy, oy, oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. When I'm with my friends, I like to dance. Oi, oi, oi.
Something
rhymes with dance.
prance. Or,
Oh yeah.
We can even prance.
Oi, oi, oi.
I don't know how to use that word.
That was good. Yeah, we could even prance. Or I decided to wear my fancy pants. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi.
Ba-na, ba-na.
Does anybody else have any really juicy rhymes you want to add? What should we call it? Ciao!
Bye.
Bye! That was fun.
That was fun.
Ay, 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 ay.